Hi, and welcome back to my channel. This is Crafty with Jackie, and today I'm going to show you a little bit more of my artistic side, and this is my morning routine. So once I wake up, I make my cup of coffee, and I get down at my table, and I open my sketchbook, and just get ready to kind of draw. And what I really like to do when I start off and I have my coffee, I draw these really fun coffee mugs. I try to do one-line drawings or different kind of drawings, and here you can see I'm doing a one-line drawing to start off with. This really helps just get my eyes warmed up and get my artistic, muscles ready to go when I start working on bigger art pieces. It's really important to practice art, even if it's not good or you're just doing a few lines and making shapes out of them. And here I am doing some coffee mugs. It's really important just to practice and just get over that fear. I feel like sometimes when I begin a new art project, there's a level of hesitation and fear where you might get in the way, or I might get in the way of making marks, and it could overall affect how the piece turns out. And so what this does, just a confidence builder. And I really recommend, if you're new or experienced, that just, take some time to just make bad art. And this necessarily isn't bad. At the end of the day, it's up to what you think it looks like. And it's really important just to start creating. Get used to creating, get used to the pen, get used to drawing in ink, and then that'll really help whatever medium you use, because when you draw in ink, you can't erase it. And I think that's what's really helped build my confidence, is just practicing simple shapes but making it recognizable. Like these, you can tell are coffee mugs, but they don't have to be super detailed or intricate, and that's kind of what art is. Especially as you go into abstract art, which I'm exploring currently, it's not about making something that is exactly what it looks like. You kind of have to leave enough for the imagination to wonder as someone is looking into it. So I am just gonna keep drawing away, and I get to show you all the different things that I make. And this is, of course, page 1. I do about 3 to 5 pages every morning with my cup of coffee. It takes less than 10 to 15 minutes. I'm doing these very quickly. And then I start going into some abstract faces, and I really enjoy doing this. It's really been fun, and I feel like I've gotten so much better at making these funky looking faces from doing my daily morning of my coffee sketches, because I just feel more confident and comfortable with just letting the pen guide me. And I think that's what's really cool about art, is that it doesn't always have to look how you expect it to look, and it still can turn out pretty cool. Like, I really liked how that piece turned out. It's a little funky face, and then I'm adding some more to it. So overall, this is what I just have been doing lately, is starting my morning with sketches, and especially on my Saturday mornings, I might do a little bit more. I then really like to find inspiration. I go on Pinterest. I'm having a hard time of figuring out what to draw, because I like to draw so much on my mornings and my weekends. So here I am. I have a photo pulled up, and I'm going to be doing the squiggly portrait drawing. I saw this really cool channel. His name is Mad Charcoal. I've been obsessed with it, and it kind of got me back into using charcoal medium and just playing with ink. So here I am, kind of taking inspiration from him and practicing doing squiggly lined portraits out of one single line, and it really helps you see value and figure out, where detail should be going. And it's I've learned from watching different videos and just experience in drawing, it's really just about an illusion when you're drawing with ink and pen. And it's all about, letting what is there appear in shadow form versus intricate detail of what you think it might look like. So in a way, you're kind of retraining your brain on what to see and how it appears through value. And it's been a really cool technique, and I've really enjoyed trying out these little squiggly line portraits, because I was horrible at drawing faces, still have a long way to go, but it's definitely, I've noticed improvement just from doing basic practice every day with looking at shadow, value, and just an overall composition and layout. So I hope you maybe take this time as a reminder to take time for yourself. I know a lot of the times I start my mornings, or I used to start my mornings scrolling on my phone, checking social media, and I felt so overwhelmed the rest of my day, where when I start before work or on the weekends where I do what I need to go get done, if I'm just taking 15 minutes and every morning while I have my coffee and breakfast to just draw, It really helps me set up my day less overwhelmed, less cluttered, and I'm able to just kind of make some cool art too. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again real soon. Bye.